Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson on data and graphing. Today's lesson is called Data Day Pockets. In today's lesson you will make a bar graph to represent data. You will find the maximum and the minimum in a set of data. The maximum in a set of data is the largest amount or the greatest number in a data set, and you can see that easily by the highest bar. The minimum in a data set is the smallest amount or the smallest number. If we look here at this graph, we can see that this is the smallest or shortest bar in this bar graph. In today's lesson, you will be counting pockets on your shirt and on your pants. So let's say I have 1 pocket on my shirt, 4 pockets on my pants. I don't have any other pockets anywhere else, so my total number of pockets are 5. If each student counts their pockets and puts them on a graph, it might look like this for the class. So how many kids have 1 pocket? 6 kids do. How many kids have 4 pockets? 1 kid does. Again, when we're looking at the maximum, we're looking at the most or the largest amount. So the maximum, we can look at that easily with a bar graph and look for the highest bar is right here. This means that 8 children have 0 pockets. So the maximum is 8 children with 0 pockets. The minimum, or the fewest, the least, is actually 0. You might think it's 1, but actually 0 is smaller than 1. There are no kids with 3 pockets. There are 0 kids with 7 pockets, 8 pockets, 9, and all the way up to 13 or more. So the minimum number is 0 kids. Let's take a look at this graph on pets. This is a graph of pets that belong to the students in Miss Smith's class. What is the maximum and minimum of this data set? The choices are dogs, cats, fish, and birds. What is the maximum? How many students? And what kind of pet? That's right, it's fish. If I look at the top of this bar, I can go all the way over to see how many kids it was. The maximum is 7. What is the minimum? Or the least amount? That's right, it's the shortest graph. And if I match that all the way over here, I can see that 2 kids in Miss Smith's class have birds as their pet. That is our lesson for today on Data Day and graphing on number of pockets.